To repair Windows system files, open command prompt as administrator and type sfc/scan now. If it is showing error as in my case, then follow me. If it did not show error, then you can leave the video. The cause of error is that path of folder named system32 is not added to environment variables. Copy its path. Open environment variables and select path in user variables. Click on edit, select new and paste the path there. Save changes and hit OK. It might have solved. If not, comment below. Now open command prompt as administrator and type sfc/scan now and hit enter.
2,000 years later.
3 weeks later. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new.
As you can see, that scan is complete and Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations in my PC. Your problem might have been solved, and if not, comment below.